Welcome to this presentation on a radiation hardened in-memory computing SRAM for soft error tolerance in safety critical applications. This research was conducted by Bibby Joseph et al. And published in 29 August 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. In safety critical applications like aerospace and autonomous driving, in-memory computing or IMC offers significant efficiency gains, but traditional SRAMs are highly susceptible to radiation-induced soft errors. Existing radiation-hardened designs often lack IMC capability, while IMC-focused cells are vulnerable to single-event upsets. This work presents the RHBD IMC 140 cell, a novel 14 TRANSISTOR design that integrates robust radiation hardening directly into an IMC-capable SRAM. This design relaxes the fundamental assumption that computational efficiency and soft error tolerance are mutually exclusive within a single memory cell. The RHBD IMC 140 cell is a 14 TRANSISTOR design fabricated using UMC 65 nanometer technology at 1.2 volts. Its architecture is specifically engineered to minimize soft error susceptibility by having only three sensitive nodes Q, QB, and P, with PB being insensitive to SERS. A crucial design element is the dedicated read path, which significantly enhances read stability and prevents data disturbance during read operations, a common issue in many IMC SRAMs. This cell efficiently performs a comprehensive suite of in-memory operations, including AND by NAND, OR by NOR, XOR by XNOR logic, and both binary and ternary content addressable memory searches. The RHBD IMC 140 cell demonstrates significant performance improvements across critical metrics. It achieves a write stability of 520 mV, representing a 1.9 times increase over the RHBD 13T cell, which recorded 278 mV. Power dissipation is notably low at 6.89 microwatts, a 6.6 times reduction compared to the RHS C12T cell's 45.61 microwatts. Furthermore, the cell exhibits an SEU probability of 0.015, a 65% reduction compared to DIC E12 T 0.044. This enhanced reliability is primarily driven by the design three sensitive nodes and dedicated read path, as confirmed by the electrical quality metric analysis in Table 4. The RHBD IMC 140 cell significantly advances the integration of radiation hardening and in-memory computing, relaxing the traditional trade-off between these domains. Compared to the strongest prior RHBD baseline, RHBD 13T, our cell offers 1.9 times higher write stability. It also achieves a 65% reduction in SEU probability over DIC E12T, the second strongest RHBD baseline. This performance lift is directly attributable to the cell's three sensitive nodes and dedicated read path, which are explicitly captured in the electrical quality metric analysis in Table 4. However, a limitation is its area overhead of 9.44 square micrometers compared to the 6 TSRAM's 3.54 square micrometers, and direct comparisons to other combined RHBD IMC cells are scarce, with only one modified BIS architecture 52 identified. The paper also notes that where sizing information for baselines was unavailable, the proposed cell sizing was used, which could affect optimal comparison. The RHBD IMC 140 cell represents a robust and energy-efficient solution for in-memory computing in radiation-prone environments. Its design successfully integrates high soft error resilience, demonstrated by an effective critical charge greater than 34 femtocoulombs and a low SEU probability of 0.015, with efficient IMC capabilities. The cell performs logic operations at 12.52 GHz with 6.72 femtojoules per bit, and CAM searches with comparable energy efficiency. This makes it highly suitable for safety-critical applications that demand both computational throughput and unwavering data integrity, such as aerospace systems and autonomous vehicles.